Hey everyone, today I'm sitting on the GladGrid mattress. This has a unique look with some really unique features. So let's dive in. You can order the GladGrid mattress directly from their website. It'll ship pretty quick. It's going to arrive in about a week after placing your order. And it'll come in a box in their signature checkerboard pattern, so you know exactly what that is. And it's compact enough where it should only take about one person, maybe two, to get it into your bedroom. Once you get it in there, basically you just put it onto your bed, cut it open, and it should expand to life. Now, what surprised me is when I opened this mattress, it was really thin, but within a matter of, I'd say about 15-20 minutes, it got to the full thickness and was ready to sleep on. Just keep in mind that there is some off-gassing like any foam mattress will have. So you may want to let that air out maybe for about 12 hours, a little bit longer, depending on how sensitive you are. A queen-size GladGrid mattress retails for $788, and that's a really good value just given all of the technology baked into this mattress, which we'll talk about in a little bit. It also comes with a 120-night trial, so basically you can have it in your bedroom for 4 months to really see if the feel is right for you. If you decide to keep it, you're backed by a full 10-year warranty. The GladGrid mattress is made with 3 layers of foam, but starting with the cover, you notice it has this checkerboard pattern, and that's really unique. I've never seen a pattern like this, but it's more than just looks. In fact, they infuse silver ions into this cover to keep it more hyperallergenic. What that means is that it has some antimicrobial elements to it, and it's just going to help keep your mattress fresh. Nevertheless, I still recommend using a mattress protector because it's not going to protect against any spills, and that's usually what makes a mattress dirty. Is if you spill coffee or any kinds of liquids on it, it's going to seep into the mattress itself. So always use a cover, but it's just nice to know that those silver infused ions are in this cover, and it's doing its work to keep the mattress fresh. Now underneath that is your first layer of foam. This is a copper infused foam, and I've spoken a lot about copper in the past. Copper is also used to be hypoallergenic. It's antimicrobial, but it also can keep you cool. The middle layer is your transition layer. It's typical of a 3-layer bed, and that is a gel-infused foam. So again, they're using more of those cooling properties throughout the mattress, and it's just a nice transition between the final layer, which is your base layer. That's the firmer layer. So all in all, you get a nice 3-layer foam mattress with handles. They stitch handles into the side, which makes it easy to rotate the mattress, which I advise to do probably every 6 months. So very nice construction and a removable zippable cover, although I'd never recommend removing these covers, just leave it on. This mattress has a really versatile feel. By that I mean it is designed for side sleepers, but it's still supportive for stomach or back sleepers. The reason that it is designed for side sleepers is they tried to design a softer mattress without losing too much support along your midsection. So with this mattress, what they did is they actually cut these little notches here, refilled it with a softer foam so that whether you rotate the mattress or not, you're going to get some good sinkage in with your shoulder, and your hips and waist are still going to be supported. Now this mattress, because it is all foam, a big concern is that it will trap heat. And of course, yes, foam will do that, but like I said, they're using cooling materials in 2 layers of the foam. First being that graphite layer, and then the cooling gel foam underneath. So I never woke up feeling hot in this mattress, and it's not designed to surround your body all that much. As you can see, it's a very smooth mattress. When you lay on it, you don't really get too much hug. And of course, finally, with motion transfer, there's 0 motion transfer, obviously because it is an all foam mattress. So here's my final recommendation on the GladGrid mattress. I think it ticks a lot of boxes, one being price at $788 in a queen size. That's a pretty aggressive price. Most of these mattresses online started there, but they're usually kind of winding up around the $850,000, $900,000 mark. $788 is a great price. Also, it is designed to be a soft mattress, but I found it to be kind of more on the medium spectrum. Medium, but also accommodating for a dedicated side sleeper. So I would say if you're a dedicated side sleeper, that tends to sleep hot, you don't like the motion transfer that springs provide, and you want to buy something on a budget, I think this would be a great choice. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We've got the full review and the latest discount codes.